Coffee. Wait, no, this is a tea video. Sweet tea, here we go. Alright, first of all, get some tea bags, like a good tasting tea. That helps a lot, because if your tea tastes bad, then your tea will taste bad. And now that my camera is finally in focus, you can see we use Louisiana tea. You're going to need 3 of the large tea bags and stick them where you would stick your coffee in this coffee maker here. Yes, I know it's called a coffee maker. We're making tea in it. Calm down. And this next part is very important. You're going to add water to your coffee maker because, little secret, tea is mostly water. So fill it all the way up to 12 cups, which is in fact not 12 cups, it is 12 cups. If that makes sense to you, then something's wrong with you. And anyway, math and stuff, because this is definitely not 12 cups of water. Call me superstitious, but I also arrange my tea bags so that all of them are hit by the water dispenser thing at the top of the coffee maker, whatever that's called. It needs to hit all 3 of the bags, is what I'm saying. Now, sugar, the thing that makes it taste not like dirty water and it tastes like sweet tea. I use 1.5 cups. I do recommend going somewhere between 1 and 2 cups. And if you start out light, you can always add more sugar. You cannot take sugar away from things. And oh dang, this only made a 1/2 gallon. And of course, I'm kidding. I knew it was only going to make a 1/2 gallon because you need to fill this up to 12 not cups once again. And depending on your coffee maker, you may need to turn it on or off and then on again. And we're using the same 3 tea bags here, so don't put more tea bags in. You're going to screw it up. I don't guess it would really screw it up, but I'm telling you, don't. Just use the same 3 tea bags. Now, it's a good idea if you don't have a really long spoon to stir this before you put the second pitcher in, because your spoon handle won't let you reach all the way to the bottom unless you get your hand in scalding hot tea, which is not good for anyone. And as you can see, the second batch is a little bit lighter in color because, the tea bags were pre-watered down and that's how things work. Anyway, it's not going to matter because everything mixes together here and it's all even and balanced and stuff as it should be. Now, this next step is very important. You should taste your tea while it's hot to make sure that it is sweet enough. I'm going to get a little sciencey on you, but there are things called solutions, and this is a solution. And what that is a liquid that has a certain amount of something dissolved into it. In this case, it is sugar, of course. I'm going to refer to the tea as water, but at room temperature, water can only hold so much sugar. The colder it gets, the less it can hold, and the warmer it gets, the more it can hold. And when you heat it and mix more than what you could at room temperature and then cool it back down, it is called a super saturated solution, which is what sweet tea is. There's your alliterations for today. Anyway, so the next time you're drinking sweet tea, hopefully you made it and now you're smarter because you're all sciencey. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and hope y'all enjoyed.